Just like us, our green friends love a bit of pampering. These special treatments not only boost their health, but also allow us to connect more deeply with our beloved leafy companions. So grab your gardening gloves and let's give our plants the spa day they deserve. Number 1. A nice haircut. Begin with the pruning session. Inspect each plant for dead or unhealthy leaves and stems, and carefully snip them away. This promotes better air circulation and gives your plants a refreshed, neat appearance. Number 2. Leaf shine bath. Next, it's bath time. Gently cleanse each leaf with a cloth dampened in lukewarm water. For an extra shine and health boost, add 2 to 4 teaspoons of milk. This acts as a natural cleanser and pest deterrent, while also providing antifungal benefits. Number 3. Refreshing aromatic mist. Facing pest issues? Mix water with a few drops of essential oils and spritz it over your plants. This organic mist repels pets and leaves a wonderfully fragrant environment. Number 4. Root rejuvenation soak. Give the roots some love too. Submerge them in water for a rejuvenating soak, following a bottom watering method. For aerial roots like those on Monstera or Pothos, a glass of water works wonders. Number 5. Serene sunbathing session. Set aside a day, perhaps on a weekend, to let your houseplants bask in direct sunlight for a few hours, but avoid the harsh afternoon sun. This sunbathing session aids in photosynthesis, encouraging vibrant growth. Number 6. Music therapy. And finally, a touch of music therapy. Play some soft, soothing tunes near your plants. Believe it or not, gentle vibrations and rhythms can actually stimulate growth and vitality in plants. We hope these tips inspire you to create a tranquil haven in your home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your spa day experiences with us. Until next time, happy gardening!